We are in the Taylor Plantation Subdivision today, and I'm going to take you on a brief house tour to show you what $400,000 will get you in the North Charleston, Summerville area of Charleston. That's kind of confusing, right? So anyway, Taylor Plantation has been here a little over 15 years. Inside this subdivision, we have an elementary school and a middle school. The middle school does feed into Fort Dorchester High School, which is located in Dorchester District 2 School District. There are a little over 200 homes out here. It's a great little community. Down the street is shopping area, pizza, lots of food options are coming out in this area. We also have like Home Goods, Marshalls, great shopping, and you are about 25 to 30 minutes from downtown Charleston, about 45 minutes to the beach. So stay tuned and I'll show you the inside of the house. Here is the outside. It has a 2-car garage. We are at 8450 Rice Basket Lane, located in the Taylor Plantation Subdivision here in North Charleston. This house is a little over 2,200 square feet. Has a dining room to the right whenever you walk in the front door. And then you come through the kitchen with granite countertops, all new appliances. You have a pantry located here on the right, eat-in dining room area, an open floor plan, all two with a living room, kitchen. Everything is combined and just gives you a nice open feel. And then to the backyard with a sliding glass door. Lots of good space here. And then downstairs we have an office that can also be used as a guest room, bedroom, does have a closet, and you do have a half bath located on the first floor. All bathrooms have been updated and remodeled, and you have a 2-car garage. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms. The laundry area and a full bath is located here at the top of the stairwell. Nice granite countertops, tile shower. We have the laundry room located over here to the left. And then we have this great storage space above the garage. As you proceed down the hallway, we have a bedroom here to the left. 1 bedroom, here's the 2nd bedroom. And then the master suite is located at the end of the hallway here. Great open space. Walks into the master bathroom. Love the countertops in here. And then you have a full walk-in closet. The floors have all been replaced here in the house and fresh new paint. So there you have it. 2,200 square feet, 3 bedroom, possibly 4 bedrooms, one being downstairs, and 2.5 baths. And the price is listed at $400,000. If you have any questions, let us know.